Jess, kumusta ang biyahe?
It was a long flight, very memorable. Kinakita na parang sobrang naging bonding experience namin doon.
One-day flight. So amazing.
Parang kami nasa field trip.
Yeah.
Trip. Sarap
Exchange
ng tulog.
students from the Philippines.
So you guys are the first batch. How does it feel to be here? First batch kayo.
Yes, we are so excited to go around London first, then Birmingham. It's really just unfortunate na nagkahiwalay lang kami because some batches are designated for Birmingham. But us, we're gonna be enjoying here in London. We'll be shooting in different areas.
Yeah.
London, yeah.
Are there... Okay.
Na personally, this is my first time here sa UK.
Wow!